InvGate Insight makes patching and keeping computers and servers up to date easy, which is important for risk management and overall employee experience. Hi, Matt Beran, product specialist at InvGate. With InvGate Insight, you can quickly build a complete inventory of assets, and to perform patch management, you'll need to have your computers and servers reporting to a single system like InvGate Insight. So get your free trial at try.invgate.com and go to our 24 hours to a unified inventory video to get that done. Once you have an inventory of your assets, you can report across them. It's quite simple to manage versions, builds, and software in bulk. So, you have two primary views of this data. The first is to find exploited or dangerous versions of software. Let's say that Chrome got exploited again. You can simply log into InvGate Insight, search for software name, contains Chrome, and this will give you all the Chrome installs and anything with Chrome, like a plugin, also related. It'll give you everything that you need. Then you can also report for a specific version. So add on reported version contains, let's say 4606.82. And we'll do 8.1 this time. And this shows me every Chrome install that has that specific version. This gives me a list of the machines that I need to go to, this Notebook 33 and Notebook 06, and I need to go patch them. I need to talk to the users and call them and patch and address this risk. The second thing that you'll probably want to do when it comes to patching is just get people updated. Not necessarily because of exploits, but to make sure that they have the features, the speed, the accuracy that they need for the software that they use on a regular basis. For this, it's as simple as searching for the specific software, clicking on it, and navigating to this summary screen. Now this screen has a lot of information, so let me go through it with you now. The big data up here at the top is stuff that we populate for you. The fact that it's a web browser, that it's a standard software, not part of a suite, and free are details that we populate for our customers so they don't have to manage a bunch of data around individual applications. Then down below you see two tabs, Summary and Contracts. Now, Google Chrome doesn't really require a contract. You could put the terms here if you wanted to. But then down below you get these awesome summary blocks showing how many installations we have, how many different versions there are installed. Looks like we've got 33 different versions in use, as well as the most installed version. Not that useful, but it is useful to know maybe 115 is the most popular. Most useful though is this chart down below, which shows us that most people have version 115 installed. And next we can select some of these older versions and start doing some digging. Like this machine on version 65 should have been decommissioned a long time ago. If I go to the individual machine running this, I can see it hasn't been connected to the internet in 5 years. So this actually is something that we can move out of a broken status. Maybe I find it, maybe we've already decommissioned it and I find the destruction certificate. I can then mark this as decommissioned, destroyed, recycled, stolen. Whatever the specific case is, I can mark that here and just say, I found the destruction contract. And then I would actually apply this destruction contract to the attachments here and add a file so that it's all in one place. Now going back to that summary screen, there might be another machine in here, like this one for example, Notebook 05. This is running Ubuntu. So since it's running a Linux version, it might not have the same options for Chrome versions that a Windows or Mac machine has. So it should be noted here that you can easily navigate to these assets, open requests for work, and even remote into them directly from this screen. This gives teams the power to understand what software is running in your organization and gives you the tools to see what needs to be done and to get right to it. And this is just one tiny feature of InvGate Insight that's designed to make asset management easy, successful, and hopefully fun. For more on this topic, check us out on YouTube or discover our solutions by signing up for a trial at try.invgate.com. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you again soon.